Very spontaneously, I've just watched few dietitians who just drive me. They don't work. A lot of dietitians recommend them. They just simply don't work.
Thought you knew about weight loss was a lie.
It's very confusing because one dietitian will say one thing and 10,000 will say another. And there is a lot of studies, a lot of research, which is most of them are cherry-picked, and you just don't know who to believe. And these registered dietitians, you kind of think, yes, you can trust them, but do you think they're not confused themselves?
Controversial video.
The sad part, what they learned 10, 15, 20 years ago, they stay with this knowledge.
That's been specifically designed with this one job in mind.
My view on probiotic supplements are zero. I don't believe in them because they are destroyed in the stomach acid. When I tested certain products in a lab and the foods that you think they are really good, like kefir, which is, I was a big believer, they are fantastic for your gut. Turns out they do absolutely nothing. The sauerkraut, kimchi, once you add chili, tomato or sweet pepper powder, it defeats the object of a health benefits of fermented vegetables. Do I believe in probiotic supplements? No, I don't. You can take tons of them and they will do nothing for you until you help your gut to build new good gut bacteria, that your bacteria can communicate properly with your sister's mitochondria who carry their own DNA. Probiotic supplements, don't waste your money on them. That's why I don't recommend on my channel, because they are waste of money and I've tested them. They don't work. A lot of dietitians recommend them. They just simply don't work. I love supplements and some of them do marvelous job, but like a probiotic supplements, capsules, tablets or kefir or yogurt or A1 protein milk, it's not good for you. In fact, they destroy your gut.
Eating a food like Pop-Tarts, which is...
While she's speaking and she's cooking something, and I'm thinking, peanut butter, not great for your gut. I used to believe that peanut butter are fantastic for your health. No, they are worse for your gut. And with aflatoxin, it makes it even worse. And when I look on the video, she have bread, she have ripe bananas. It's not great for you as well. She have milk. Okay, one thing she have is eggs. Maybe, is it hemp? Yes, that would work good. But the rest on the table, I don't see anything that I would say, wow, it's healthy.
With our microbes.
It's just, I'm looking and I'm thinking, bread, peanut butter. Are you talking about the gut bacteria, good, healthy gut bacteria? You're making the food that actually destroy your gut, and you teach people this is the food that you should eat.
Right? AKA Ozempic.
If you don't know what Ozempic is, a lot of celebrities use Ozempic to lose weight. Basically, it's crap. Don't buy, don't spend. It's just waste of money and you ruin your health.
And kombucha, kimchi, kefir, yogurt, etc.
Fermented foods, sauerkraut, I would leave it. Kombucha, I would leave it. Good for you. Kimchi, yes, good for you. If you don't add paprika or chilies, will be good for you. Kefir, no, even the most expensive kefir and yogurt, waste of money. This is registered dietitian milk. It's good for your gut, by the way. I've been sarcastic. Yeah. Wow, and that's oats. Not great. Chia seeds, not great for you. They're full of lectin, destroy your lining of the gut. Not good for you. Your body will not absorb nutrients that you're going to eat afterwards. This thick, unhealthy mucus in your gut, it's a worst thing you can do to your body. Don't, please, chia seed, no, 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 no at all, any chia seeds. And then she put maple syrup in them. Maple syrup, yes, full of sugar. Okay, oats milk. I used to believe oats milk are good for your gut. Wow, it's great. No, it's not. When I tested for microbiome by removing A1 protein from cow's milk and yogurt, which is, you think, they are really good. I used to eat a lot of yogurt and cottage cheese because I thought they are healthy for your gut. And my microbiome was not in a good state till I removed lectin and start having prebiotic fiber like sauerkraut, asparagus, radishes, raw carrots, olive oil. I have olive oil about 500 ml a week. And when I talk about calories, I have more calories a week coming from the oils than from the foods, and my weight going down. How this can any dietitian explain to me? That's why I stopped believing calories in, calories out. Because it's ridiculous. I'm going on a scale, I'm going down. And I think, how come? So I add carbs like oats, bam, my weight go up. No, so it shows that your gut doesn't like this oats, whole grain food, or whole grain bread, or wheat bread, or wraps, something like that. Your body doesn't like these foods. If you eat foods with high polyphenols and prebiotic fiber coming from food, not the supplement like in a capsule form, inulin, I keep mentioning in my videos, inulin, psyllium husk, are the best foods you can have for your health. They are best supplement and doesn't cost much. You don't need to buy very expensive probiotic drinks and think, wow, they are the best, they are the best, they're going to sort your health out. No. No, 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 no. It takes time to build your gut army. It doesn't fix in a day with just a one probiotic capsule or drink you bought very expensive and you think that's going to work. It's not. Watching like these videos that dietitians suggest, it just makes me sad. I'm watching another dietitian who is vegan.
It's actually been replaced. Vegetables, fruits, whole grain.
You know about food and you become vegan? I'm not vegan. I'm not against veganism or vegetarianism. I'm not against all these beliefs. But when you are a doctor and know about food, you become vegan? Really? Okay, I understand if you become vegan because of your certain beliefs, yes. But saying that veganism is really a healthy way, no. How many times I saw a blood test of my vegan clients whose blood test is all over the place.
Body mass index.
A lot of doctors and dietitians go with BMI. According to BMI, I'm obese. And if you watch my videos, do I look obese? According to BMI, bodybuilders are morbidly obese. It says everything.
Our Stone Age ancestors got about 100 grams of fiber.
When it's convenient for doctors, scientists, dietitians, nutritionists, you name it, to use Stone Age, they would use it. Because at Stone Age, people did this. At Stone Age, that's what we did. At Stone Age, that's what you have to do. We're not in a Stone Age, and our microbiome changed million times. We are way different now than the people were in a Stone Age. At Stone Age, they didn't have a technology what we have now. They didn't have knowledge what we have now, and the food what they ate is a way different what we eat now. We cannot mimic what our ancestors used to eat. It will not work because now generation is different. Our microbiome and mitochondria, gut bacteria mutate million times, trillions times. We cannot compare that life to current life because that would be wrong. Our brain bigger now than at Stone Age people. It already says everything.
Red wine is good for your heart. Okay, actually, the biggest myth of all time.
Red wine is not good for your heart. Really? Red wine is fantastic for your heart. It's great for your liver. It's brilliant for your health. Half a glass of red wine or one small glass of red wine will do more good for you than having one pineapple or even half of a pineapple or even one banana. Please do the right choices with foods, and what I used to believe turns out it's wrong, and it's sad. And when I start my YouTube channel and some of my videos, I talked about these foods and probiotic like kefir, which is I used to believe they are good. After testing, I realized, wow, I was wrong, and I share with other people. I'm so sorry. I won't do that again. So now I know more about nutrition, and please do the right choices, and please don't spend a lot of money on supplements that someone advertise or suggest. Sometimes when you're not sure about certain foods or diet or supplements, go with your gut, what you feel about it. If you feel strong about it, then of course this supplement will work for you. If you think, I'm not sure, then try to use your logic. If logically it doesn't work, then don't go for it. If you think, yes, that will work, that's good, then go for it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video.